Welcome to the Cooler Report. Let me introduce our companies. And we can take a look first outside. This is our business centers. Main office here. And if you're looking down this way, it's our parking lots. We have a lot of staff. It's waiting for the pickup every day. And we have a lot of co-workers. And you can see right here, all the refrigerators, they are waiting for the shipping companies to pick it up. Okay, let's go ahead to take a look inside the office. This way, follow me. And when you're looking in the lobby, we have a big reception area right here. All the guests right here, you can using the computer to check in the stuff. And you can check out here and waiting for the pickup paperwork. And we have a reception centers. When you're looking in, it's our main office right here. And these are all my co-workers. They are in the office. They're super busy every day. We have a lot of orders and a lot of customers need to get help from us. And all my co-workers, they're working pretty hard. And we have a big area at the back. All the customer documentations, we will keep it for backup. When you need help, we can check it out. This is our warehouse area. And when we're looking down the warehouse, we have a variety of options, variety inventories in stock. And we have about like 5 different zones, A, B, C, D, E, with storage, a lot of stuffs. Now we can go ahead to take a look inside. First, we're in the B area. When you come in here, we have a lot of refrigerators. They are all stainless steel units sitting over there. And we also have the bakery cases. They have dry cases and the refrigerator cases. We also have a bunch of the countertop refrigerator cases. And they can storage for the pastries or bakeries or any of the liquid drinks or maybe just iced tea if you want or coffees. We're having really big showroom right here. You see the small mixers and also have a lot of stuff on the shelvings. We do having the for the grocery stores, we're having the gondola shelvings. And also we're having a lot clearance units for selling here, demonstrations. And they are really good qualities. From this area, we come into the E sections. And we do have a lot showcase freezers. You can see the model numbers. All these showcases, you can put gelatos or popsicles. And we do also offering the sneeze guards on top of it. So that means the units you can put a front to display to the customer or either put under the counter. They can do the same way. So for this one is our loading area. We have a big loading dock sections. We actually have about 10 loading docks. We have a busy dock every day. They're loading the new inventories. When you're looking the outside, you will see we have a lot of trailers for the catering food. We can take a look. So all these catering trailers, you can see we have multiple stylings and also have different sizes. And we do having the Volkswagen stylings or school bus stylings, all the chrome stainless steel stylings. On the back side, you can see we have some industrial things. We're having the tiny house. And also we do have a lot a walk-in box. When we keep looking down at the back of the wall, there's a lot a sink over there. There's all kinds of the sink we have. We're having the bar sinks. We're having the kitchen sinks, utility sinks, and also have a faucets too. And also we have a flatboard trailers. You can see that one. So this utility house for this sizes is 75 square foot units. We still have a couple left and the pre-installed already. You just come in a trailer and pick and go. So at the front area, that's our package area. This is a loading area too. We're having identity all of the shipping companies. For each of the shipping companies, they have a name tag on top of it. And when they came in here, they finish the paperwork. We will have the check-in number ready for the customer. This is all around our warehouse information. And remember our cooler reports. The location is 14923 Proctor Avenue, City of Industry in California. This is our headquarters. Thank you for taking these videos, and that's all information about our companies. If you have more question details, you can just contact with us or email to us. Thank you.